beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. I have got a box of Goth and I can't remember if I ordered this or not. I have ordered stuff from Box of Goth for nearly 5 years now. I think 2017 is when I got my first one. And I've become quite friendly with Nikki, who owns it, and she is amazing, and I've worked with them before and they've sent me stuff before, so this may be well one that she sent me, or I may have paid for it. I will have to look on my account and see, but I'll put it here, but I have to be transparent and let you know. So, but I can't remember because life has been shit at the moment, if I'm honest, and there's just a lot going on and I can't remember if I've ordered it. So if you don't know, Box of Goth is a monthly subscription box of gothic and alternative goodies. My glasses are so dirty, it's unreal. I can't actually see through them. I do have the Box of Goth advent calendar as well that I purchased myself and that I'm opening every day during Vlogmas. If you would like to have a look at that, I'll leave a little link here to the playlist. Yeah, I think it's like 23 or 25 pounds a month plus postage. And it comes in the cutest little coffin box ever. But I don't know what one it is. Let's have a look. This is Ghosties with the Mosties. So we've got a little super cute print. I keep all my prints and I just put them all up here on my wall. This has just been put back up and it's in the wrong place. I have lots of prints here and I have more up there. So this one shall go here too. Something in here smells amazing. So we've got a little bag. It is an independent company, Box of Goth, and Nikki is just amazing, and I love her. So the first thing I've got is a super cute little ghosty necklace. Super cute. Ooh, got hiccups. This is Ghost Enamel, Ghost Charm Wax Cord Necklace. That's what that one is. We've got some sockies. We've got green and black striped sockies, which is lovely. We love some stripes. We love some striped socks. It's been a really long day, like really long. It's been a really long life, to be fair. Oh, just found a little note. It says happy belated birthday month box. It is from Nikki. I didn't think I'd ordered it. That's so lovely. She is like the kindest person. Isn't that nice? That's so cute. It was my birthday last month. I think, are you sweets? Oh my god, you are sweets. I think this is what I can smell. These smell amazing. So this is this? I think she's made me a box of random bits from different boxes, I think, because this isn't on here. So I think this is this. I'm being really thick. I'm gonna have to have a look. Is there sweets? Am I being thick? I can't see sweets on this thing, but there is a bag of sweets that smell incredible, and it says sour ghost gummies, vegan friendly, which I'm gonna try now. I've not had any dinner. I'm super hungry. Get open. Oh, I've just ripped the bag. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. They're all different colours. They're pastel colours. So we've got like greens and yellows and pinks. And they're a good gummy texture as well. I'm really weird. Oh, they're yummy. Let me just get the chewing out of the way. I'm really weird with like gummy sweets. Like if they're too soft, I'm just like bleh. Or if you bite them and it just goes straight through, I'm just really weird with textures, but these are good. I got a nice chew to them and they taste fucking amazing. Oh my god. I think it might be the vegan thing that I like, because my favourite jelly sweets are Candy Kittens and they're vegan. And although the company of those is owned by a complete and utter twat, the sweets are yummy. So it might be the fact that the veganishness is what I like. Oh my god. That's so good. I've got a little... Can I just eat those for my dinner? Is that acceptable? I got a bath bomb. A ghost bath bomb. He's so cute! He smells amazing too. Oh my goodness. I love him! I got a pencil that says ghost with the most, babe. Super cute. I've got a little notebook which has got a ghostie on it, sitting on a gravestone with the Box of Goth logo there. It's just a little notebook. We love a notebook. I've got some stickers, sticker pack, images by Faradul Fardin. I hope I pronounced that right. So we've got the same oh my god, image as on the notebook. We've got the Beetlejuice kind of worm, but different. And then we've got, that is awesome, I love that. That's so cool. And then we've got a magnet with the same little print on it with the ghostie. We've got a zipper pull with the little print on it as well. And then we've got a little tiny print. Look at him. Oh my goodness, he is super cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's so lovely, Nikki. It's so nice. Thank you so much, my lovely. That is so lovely. So yeah, that was Box of Goth. I am very, very lucky to have a lovely, lovely person like that in my life. And that's just so kind. Like, she didn't have to do that. But that's just really lovely. These are absolutely banging. I'm going to try a pink one. The green one I think was apple. And then there's the yellow ones as well. I'm fully aware this noise of chewing is disgusting. But this is how many fucks I give. None. So, that was the box. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you soon. Love you, bye.